So this is the small precision screwdriver set. So it's a 64 in 1 small screwdriver set. Comes with this spudger tool. Comes with this hook tool as well. Comes with these tweezers here. Also comes with these pry tools. It also comes with these here opening picks, a suction cup. Here is the precision screwdriver. You can turn and rotate a 360 with all these batch heads here. So it comes with these 48 different bit heads here. So here we have one of our batch heads here. It is magnetic, so it stays in and doesn't fall out easily. And there we go to fix our Nintendo Switch here. So these makes it really easy to unscrew these screws. You see, it is magnetic as well. This precision screwdriver set is perfect for working on electronics, small devices, Nintendo, video game consoles, or electronics. It makes it very easy, very convenient to use. So you can accomplish repairing or putting together stuff that you need worked on.